My name is Nichilos Gardner, and I went to AIM. I work on my cars, so I want to learn how to work on turbines. The teachers helped me a lot. There's some that took me under the wing and that helped me after class. I'm a hands-on learner, so the bookwork was a challenge, but that's when the teachers helped me through it and put me one-on-one and got me through that. But the hands-on was a breeze. There's after-school program. It was a project, Piper project. That helped us a lot too. He was one-on-one and we're going physically hands-on with the airplane. We stripped the paint off. We're going to repaint it and put a new mortar in and try to make it airworthy. If you like motors, if you like hands-on stuff, come and get the experience. The opportunity right now is very good. If you go in, go all in on it. Don't half-step it, go all in.